Is your ASUS Expert Center Pro ET700 IW7 workstation feeling a little sluggish? Does it struggle with demanding tasks? Well, ATEC might have the solution: a massive 768 GB RAM upgrade kit. Yes, you heard that right, 768 GB. This kit isn't just about size, it's about performance. It comes with 8 96 GB DDR5 ECC registered DIMM modules, running at a speedy 4,800 MHz. That PC 538400 spec means it can handle a serious workload. The ECC registered part is crucial for workstations, as it helps prevent data errors, ensuring stability and reliability, especially when dealing with critical applications. The modules are 2RX4 or dual rank X4 and adhere to the JEDEC DDR5 standard of 1.1V. This is all technical jargon, but it essentially means they're built to industry standards for compatibility and power efficiency. ATEC claims this upgrade will improve system speed, performance, and reduce bottlenecks. And honestly, with 768 GB of RAM, it's hard to imagine it won't. Imagine running multiple virtual machines, complex simulations, or editing massive video files without a hiccup. The sheer amount of memory available should significantly boost your workstation's capabilities. It's important to note the compatibility warning. EC8 modules shouldn't be mixed with EC4 modules or other ECC types. This is crucial. Make sure you know what you're working with before installing this kit. ATEC also recommends verifying compatibility with your specific system configuration and following memory channel guidelines for optimal performance. This is standard advice, but it's always worth reiterating. ATEC emphasizes its stringent quality control testing, which is reassuring. No one wants faulty RAM causing system crashes. Plus, the limited lifetime warranty and top-rated support team provide peace of mind. Knowing you have support available if you run into any issues is a definite plus. Overall, this ATEC 768 GB RAM kit seems like a powerful upgrade for the ASUS Expert Center Pro ET700 IW7 workstation. The massive capacity, combined with ECC-registered technology and fast speeds, should significantly improve performance for demanding professional applications. If you're looking to unleash the full potential of your workstation, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.